the borders between the two nations, the conflict has risen and is still going on. Our national flag flies high not because of the wind that moves it, but because of the last breath of the soldier who died protecting it. Hello everyone, topic for today's lecturate is Siachen conflict. It is often referred to as the Siachen War and is a military conflict between India and Pakistan over the disputed Siachen Glacier in the Kashmir region. It is the highest battlefield and is located at a height of 22,000 feet and is a 70 km long inhospitable terrain located in the eastern Karakoram range. Since 1984, Indian and Pakistan forces have fought sporadically in this region, and the conflict stems out from the incomplete demarcation of the territory on the map. Even after Karachi Agreement of 1949 and the Shimla Agreement of 1972, which failed to demarcate the borders between the two nations, the conflict has risen and is still going on. In fact, the United Nations official also presumed that this part of land won't act as a matter of dispute between both the nation as it is cold and barren. However, up till now we have lost 2,000 soldiers because of the weather extremes and the natural hazards in the mountain warfare. The soldiers have to face high-speed winds, avalanches, frostbites, and the temperature dips down to minus 60 degrees Celsius. In the year 1984, on 13th of April, the Indian Army along with the Indian Air Force conducted Operation Meghdoot and seized full control of this region by taking preemptive measures to gain the tactical and initiative measures and advantage over Pakistan in this region. Our soldiers are deployed all year around on 3-month rotational basis in the Siachen Glacier. Now, talking about the importance of this region, it acts as a natural barrier between the convergence of Pakistan and China, as the Saltora Bridge is the divide between the two nations in the Kashmir region. The monumental height also provides the Indian Armed Forces an advantage to keep a close eye on the activities in Gilgit and Baltistan in Pakistan and Beijing in China. It is said that the Indian government spends 5 crore rupees every day on Siachen Glacier, and it is a region of extreme importance to our country, as if we lost control over this region, then it would lead to a threat on the security and sovereignty of the northern fronts of our motherland. The most fascinating thing about duty at this particular region is that the soldiers are not ordered, but the troops are volunteered, and every soldier who is contributing service to this part of our motherland is decorated with the Siachen medal, that is a white and a grey ribbon medal worn on the chest, and is a matter of great pride and fascination. To conclude, I would like to say that the Siachen Glacier dispute is something that exists from a long time and the end seems distant. However, it is under the vigilance of our warriors and our brave hearts who are not afraid to go to any limits to protect the sovereignty and integrity of our nation. Thank you.